The indisputable truth about our environment is that the drive for wealth transcends age and job level. When we look at how the wealthiest people live, we can gain insight into the desires of people all across the world. Unfortunately, most people struggle to achieve such accomplishment, implying that those who do succeed have abilities and techniques that many others do not understand. Perhaps the cause is that we follow the wrong ideals or underestimate our own capabilities. Our hesitation is often motivated by a fear of starting a business and the temptation of living a stable but unfulfilling existence. Pursuing huge aspirations comes with the risk of losing everything, even job stability. So the question arises, is it genuinely worthwhile to make sacrifices in the pursuit of financial independence? The transition from thinking to action presents numerous hurdles. It's all too easy to feel limited by circumstances. Whether it's a lack of familial support, connections, wealth, or the necessary skills to make our ambitions a reality. Many people feel that large income can only be obtained by holding high-ranking positions such as CEO or manager in extremely successful businesses, a goal that appears out of reach for the majority. However, achieving financial freedom frequently necessitates taking on roles like self-employment, investing, or entrepreneurship. In this video, I will look at the characteristics and practices of billionaires that contribute to their success, providing ideas you may use on your own path to financial independence. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Number 1. Overcoming hesitancy on the road to achievement. Even if you've considered starting your own business, the prospect of being a truly successful entrepreneur may seem daunting. Social conditioning frequently locks us into employment that do not correspond with our genuine interests, restricting our vision and potential. Successful persons, whether writers, entrepreneurs, or innovators, make meaningful contributions to people's lives, compelling them to pay for their services or products. As Elon Musk succinctly stated, you get paid in direct proportion to the difficulty of the problems you solve. Number 2. Attitude is essential. Many people emphasize the significance of mentality, but few actually apply it. Your surroundings have a significant impact on the person you will become. The people we surround ourselves with, whether schoolmates, friends, colleagues, or gym partners, often have similar financial situations, living paycheck to paycheck. Our perspective of success is largely influenced by the simple lives we observe around us. Some may even have role models, such as celebrities or newly wealthy persons, whose flashy lifestyles give the illusion of desirability. However, such figures may not present a complete picture and may not be appropriate role models for our financial journeys. Instead, we should be inspired by people like Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, and others who started small and gained critical lessons along the way to success. Furthermore, seeking inspiration from local entrepreneurs can provide surprising results. Engaging in conversations and learning from the experiences of business owners can be really beneficial. Consider Adam Horowitz, who was 15 years old when he built Mobile Monopoly, a mobile marketing instructional. His ambitious objective was to start $1 million business by the age of 21. Despite initial skepticism, Adam persisted, and by the age of 18, he had reached his $1 million goal. His tale demonstrates that with clear goals, dedication, focus, and hard effort, aspirations are achievable. As a result, the first and most important step in realizing one's aspirations is a mental transformation. Number 3. Make your dreams a priority. While nurturing ties with loved ones is crucial, making time for personal projects is also essential. The abundance of distractions around us can easily lead to a loss of concentration. However, successful people realize the value of making sacrifices, recognizing that following aspirations comes at a cost. Prioritizing your dreams entails developing a solid strategy and rigorously executing precise actions. Excellence is not attained by imitating others. Rather, it necessitates distinct strategies, mindsets, and routines that distinguish you as you travel your road to success. Maintain a good mindset and the necessary self-discipline to move oneself forward. Visualize your future goals and make a consistent effort to improve your financial status. Number 4, overcoming low self-esteem in the workplace. It is common to blame external conditions or postpone actively seeking financial freedom. Perhaps you believe you lack the requisite education, abilities, or financial resources. Perhaps you see the current economic climate as unfavorable, so you postpone your plans in the hopes that conditions will improve in the future. However, these are self-imposed excuses that squander time and keep you from reaching your maximum potential. Delaying the decision to start your own business can easily snowball into weeks, months, and even years, resulting in a lifetime of inaction. Eventually, your decisions become impediments to accomplishing your goals. If your current employment does not offer opportunities for advancement, it is up to you to look into independent projects or investments to supplement your income. Achieving financial freedom needs focus and commitment, and procrastinating just takes you further away from your goals. Number 5, don't stop learning. Contrary to assumptions, affluent people frequently exhibit humility rather than arrogance. They understand that constant learning is crucial for personal development and wealth preservation. Unlike those with low financial resources, who may assume they already know all the answers, wealthy people actively seek out opportunities for learning and personal development. They surround themselves with people who have more knowledge and skill, realizing the importance of continuing education in order to advance in their careers. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?